Have you ever wondered about the benefits of lemon essential oil? Today I'm going to share with you some top uses that everyone can benefit from, plus some essential oil blend recipes for you to try. Let's dive into the wonderful world of lemon essential oil. First, lemon oil has a clean, fresh citrus scent. Its aroma is both energizing and invigorating. Due to the chemical makeup of this oil, it has been shown to help improve mood. So diffuse it in your home or environment for an uplifting vibe and to foster a positive mood. Lemon essential oil is cold pressed from the fruit's rind or the peel of the lemon. For this reason, lemon essential oil makes a great substitute for lemon zest in your recipes. In fact, lemon essential oil is often used in cooking and is popular in both savory and sweet dishes. Add a few drops to fish or chicken marinades, or put a zing in your salad dressings. That's my personal favorite way to use it in the kitchen. Lemon is also a favorite in cookies, cakes, puddings, pastries, and green smoothies. It also makes an excellent natural water flavoring. Add a drop or two of lemon essential oil to your water for a refreshing taste or as an alternative to sugary drinks. And when you take lemon oil internally, this essential oil can also naturally cleanse the body and aid in digestion. Also, try a mix of lemon oil along with herbs and or sliced fruit to your water for a delicious infused flavor. Keep in mind for safety reasons that I'm only referring to doTERRA lemon essential oil when I talk about internal use. In fact, doTERRA oils have a supplemental facts label on them that you won't find on most essential oils. And even with other applications that I'll be discussing, I'm speaking of the efficacy of doTERRA's lemon oil, and you can learn more about their unique sourcing and testing through a link in the description of this video. Now moving on, let's talk about its cleansing and purifying properties. The primary chemical constituent in lemon is limonene, which is a popular ingredient in household cleaning products. So you can make your own green cleaning products with lemon that are free of harmful chemicals and safe for your home and family. And not only is it safe, but you also get the natural uplifting benefits along with its other health benefits. And that is something you won't get from your typical household cleaner. So when you're ready to wipe up the dirt and grime, this essential oil is the perfect solution. Just add lemon oil to a spray bottle of water and use it as a homemade cleaning solution when you wipe down your kitchen countertops, baby high chair, bathroom sink, or anything else that needs the purifying power of lemon. To make the solution even stronger, consider adding some vinegar. To make a glass cleaner, use a mix of water, vinegar, and 8 to 10 drops of lemon oil in a 16-ounce spray bottle. Now, I've seen recipes with equal parts of water and vinegar and some that have more water or more vinegar. So your ratio is up to you as to how strong you want to make it, but you can use these general guidelines. Here are some other household recipes that you can try. And diffusing lemon oil will also help to cleanse and purify the air and surfaces in your home. Whether you are trying to eliminate airborne odors or just like to keep your house smelling fresh and bright and clean, with the side benefit of creating that uplifting mood, lemon is an optimal choice for diffusing alone or blended with other oils. It blends well with a variety of other essential oils. Consider blending it with other citrus oils like grapefruit, lime, or bergamot. The refreshing scent of lemon also blends well with minty essential oils that contain a citrus note like Douglas fir, which is a combination that I personally love. Lastly, lemon oil can be perfect complement to spicy oils like cinnamon or wild orange. For a gentle furniture polish, simply combine a few drops of lemon with olive oil on a cloth to clean, protect, and shine wood finishes. You can also make a wood polish using a 1/4 cup each of olive oil and vinegar with 10 drops of lemon oil, and just shake before each use and use with a microfiber cloth. To be on the safe side when trying this polish on your own homemade furniture, always apply the polish in an inconspicuous spot before applying it to the entire piece. Now let's talk about stubborn, sticky residue, We know how annoying that can be. With lemon oil, you can get rid of goopy messes without hours of scrubbing or the use of toxic chemicals. You know that adhesive mess that is left on glass when a sticker does not come off the way we hope it will? Just put a drop or two of lemon oil on it, depending on the area size, and let it sit for a few seconds, and you'll see how easily that adhesive slides off the surface. You can also use it for permanent marker residues and other types of stubborn, greasy stickiness that you need a solution for. And here is a grill cleaner recipe to try. And have you ever tried using lemon oil for skin? It turns out this essential oil can help exfoliate your skin. When incorporated into your skincare routine, it can help give your complexion a refreshed, healthy looking glow. To make your own homemade exfoliant scrub, combine 4 to 5 drops of doTERRA lemon oil to a small amount of oatmeal and water. As you apply the lemon oatmeal scrub to your skin, you will feel the cleansing and refreshing properties of lemon essential oil working to exfoliate and clean your skin. Just keep in mind that all citrus oils make your skin more sensitive to the sun for up to 12 hours when used topically and just to the area that's exposed to the oil. And we never want to apply essential oils in our eyes, in our inner ears, or sensitive areas. And lastly, when seasonal changes start to bother you, try taking it internally to assist you with seasonal respiratory discomfort. And for that, you can just add a drop or two in a few ounces of water and drink it down. Now let's talk about that for a moment. Now, if I put a drop of oil in this glass of water, it's just going to float at the top. And then you get a concentrated amount all at once. And since I like my oil to be immersed in the water, I use either a stainless steel water bottle or a glass water bottle. So I can shake it up and distribute the essential oil throughout the water. This is also why you want to shake your spray bottles before each use with your household DIYs. And you only want to use glass, stainless steel, or ceramic containers when drinking water with your essential oils, because since it is so good at breaking down synthetic material, it will pull any unwanted chemicals from your plastic bottles into your water that you're drinking. If you were to put a drop of lemon oil on a styrofoam cup, for example, it will actually make a hole in that cup. It won't do that to you because we are not synthetic. However, we do have some synthetic buildup from things we consume, and the lemon will help break that down and flush it out, and that's a good thing. This little bottle carries a big punch, and keep in mind we're only using minimal drops for these different applications, and there are 250 drops in this 15 ml of lemon oil. I shared several ways you can use lemon essential oil, and you can learn even more ways to use this oil to support your health by attending one of my free essential oil Zoom classes. You can find a link in the description of this video to register. Please share in the comments if you have other ways that you like to use lemon essential oil. I appreciate you watching, and as a thank you, I invite you to download my free Essential Oils for Stress and Sleep resource that you'll find in the description of this video. And if you're looking for ways to consistently nurture your mind-body wellness, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I hope you learned something helpful today. Thank you again, and sending you much peace.